Are quantitative methods really deterministic? Let's find out. It's a common misperception that quantitative analysis is deterministic. This has to do with mathematical equations we sometimes use in quantitative analysis. Sure, they look deterministic. If X, then always Y. But no, this is all wrong. In fact, quantitative analysis is inherently probabilistic. Even if you talk about causes, we look at tendencies and probabilities. If you have X, you're more likely to Y. It's about more often and how much more often, but not about determinism. Nothing is 100%. So quantitative analysis is completely different from typologies, where we might make simplified claims that generation Z equals lazy or old equals vulnerable. What we can show using quantitative analysis is that there are more vulnerable individuals among the population over 60, for example. This doesn't mean we're surprised to see all people who are strong and safe at all. In fact, we expect some of them. Quantitative analysis can help us express how likely this is, how many vulnerable old we would expect in a sample, etc. But it's all about probabilities, and with that, about uncertainties. That said, I have to admit that the communication of quantitative results sometimes glosses over this and makes quantitative results sound more certain and more deterministic, as they are.